This is one of the shower shelves I got in my 2-pack, and today I'll show you how to mount it on the shower wall and then we'll test it out. First of all, this shelf comes in a few different color options. This one is the black one, but they also come in silver and white options. The shelf is actually made of stainless steel and is supposed to be rust proof. You can see the bottom of the shelf, there's openings to let the shower water flow out. There's also two round holes at the bottom so you can even hang your shampoo or soap bottles upside down to dispense them more easily. The package came with two adhesive sheets and snap-in hooks. Here's one of the adhesives that I already placed onto the shower wall. Now I'll go ahead and install the shelf so it sits on the hooks. And by the way, I'm mounting this with one hand while I hold the camera, so apologies for the shakiness. So you can see the shelf just snaps in and it feels very sturdy. Essentially, I didn't have to drill anything and I didn't even need any special tools to mount the shelf. The pack also comes with these matching hooks that you can hang onto the sides of the shelf, so you have a way to hang your brush and razor as well. And here's the shelf with my three favorite bottles of cream and lotion. By the way, these bottles are new, so they're all full, but as you can see, the shelf is holding them no problem. In fact, the packaging says each shelf should be able to hold up to 8 pounds.